Okay, this is Max on May 6th, 2013. He just decided that he hates training wheels. And while I was inside watching The Voice with Daniel, he said, "Mom, come out and watch what I can do." Okay, we're watching.
Hey, look at me also, Mom.
Look at Max all by himself. That's incredible, Max. Come on back now.
Okay.
Look at Max.
I don't like training wheels on my bike anymore.
Third child.
He hates it.
Doesn't need parents to teach him to do simple things like riding his bike. Look at you. Good job, Max. Daniel, look at Max.